I'm going to show you my living room with zero decor. The only thing that I left in were my curtains and my lamps. My fireplace is clear, my coffee table is clear, as well as my curio cabinet and my entryway table. I haven't done any cleaning, but in my next video, I am going to show you how I transform my empty living room into my winter decored living room. I hope you enjoy. Oh my, just look at my coffee table and how empty it is. It almost scares me. It looks like the day they delivered it to me. And my couch without any pillows looks so bare. I must admit, it looks nice with all the crystals on the couch, especially the smaller crystals that outline the armrest. I fell in love with this couch the first day I saw it. I bought the coffee table years before I bought the couch by the same designer, so everything still flows so well together. But my poor coffee table has been through so much during the Christmas season. It had to carry the large reindeer and sleigh. It had glitter on it from time to time, and depending on the video I was shooting. So I'm giving it a little break and clean it up. But don't worry, it'll be back decorated again. I seldom decorate the bottom of my coffee table because I don't like to hide the swirl designs in the glass. Most of my visitors don't notice it until they are leaving, and they seem to love it. My red accent wall always stands out, so there is no taking away from it. But my white fireplace and empty mantle look like the coffee table has done its job for Christmas holidays. So it's time to refresh it with some winter decor too. My mirror, which is one of my favorite pieces, is usually covered with some type of wreath or a tall floral arrangement because it has a crack in it. I keep saying I'm going to get it fixed, but I still haven't yet. This mirror was on sale at Pier 1 because it had a small crack that has grown tremendously. But because this is one of my favorite pieces, it won't be leaving anytime soon. My welcome sign, which I moved over the fireplace for the Christmas season, will remain in this spot. I like it here so much better. The silver on top of the red looks so fabulous to me. Now with my fireplace, I added this J. I ordered this adorable wood J from Amazon and painted it silver and glued it onto my fireplace to give it a more personal touch. My silver accent chair, which goes with my sofa, is my chair. That's the chair I love to sit in over in the corner and think of ideas, and I am able to get a full view of my entire living room. This chair came with pillows, just like my sofa, but I wanted everything removed for this winter living room refresh. My poor entryway table. It has a few crystals on it. It has fake snow. It's dusty, but we're gonna get it all cleaned and shiny, and we're gonna decorate it, and it's going to be back in its normal state. My curio cabinet was purchased the same time that my coffee table was purchased. This is one of my favorite pieces. Honestly, my living room is my favorite room. The butterfly accent doors, I love it. The glass shelves, I just love this curio cabinet. Ico is one of my favorite designers. That's where my bedroom furniture is from. They just have so many pieces that scream glam to me, and they're so unique. So yes, this is the company that I love so much. They put so much detail into all of their furniture. I am going to enjoy redecorating my curio cabinet. I normally just let the same pieces stay in from year to year, dust them off, clean the shelves off, but since I've taken everything out, I probably can't remember which shelf everything was on. So yeah, this is going to be fun just to put in some of my same items, putting them in different spots on the curio cabinet. One item that I didn't remove is my white tree. I love this white tree and I just love it in my living room. So it is a decor piece, but to me it's like a piece of furniture that most people look for it to be in my living room. I have put it in my dining room from time to time, just maybe for a video, but the living room is the room that I bought it for, and so it just goes with everything so well. So let's just take a short look around the entire living room. We see it right now as a clean slate. We're going to start over, maybe add a few new colors, and just refresh it for the new year. As we enter into 2021, let's give ourselves a new look. Let's give our homes a new look. Let's take everything off and maybe start all over again. Starting on January 1st, I'll be bringing you a new video of how to transition from Christmas into winter decor. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Be blessed.